Yes, my viewers, this is Shine and Celebrate Uganda.
Don't forget we are here on Namasuba College of Commerce. It's a graduation taking place, as you can see. But the graduation is also combined with investors. They're coming all the way from China. They're coming to show off and showcase what they have for Uganda. But at the same time, they're also trying to have a collaboration, not trying to have, or have a collaboration with Namasuba College of Commerce to see to it that there's a cooperation between Uganda and China in the realm of business and in the realm of education.
How have you prepared your students now that they are going to graduate, and do you have hope or do you trust your students that are going out there?
Absolutely. Absolutely have hope in them, because we've not only trained them to pursue and have success in their careers, but we've added another knowledge of entrepreneurship, how they can start up their own businesses. Because if you look at the current state in this country, people only think of finding white collar jobs, of which nowadays they are nowhere to be seen.
In Namasuba College of Commerce, there is a department of fashion designing, where students learn how to design attires with an African touch.
Personally, I'm in the fashion industry, and we are presenting our fashions and things we made on our own. The clothes and the things you're seeing, we made them our own. So we are trying to present and making fashion and then modeling within your own attire to inspire maybe some other people to come and join our field.
Okay. Wow. The students you're seeing, they are showing their fashions and all that. So how are you feeling? I still want to hear more about.
I'm grateful because, as I say, it is the 11th graduation, and I'm growing older in this college because now I'm 17 years old serving this college. So I'm really feeling very great.
Our students that we've trained for in diploma courses and certificate courses graduate in different disciplines. And this is our 11th graduation ever since we started. And today we are about over 900 graduates are receiving certificates and diplomas in various disciplines.
We start the very new platform. This platform name is China-Uganda Zero Start Business Platform. This platform, the main target is to help our students not difficult to find the job.
I see Uganda right now is in a dimension where people outside of Uganda are starting to notice Uganda, because it's a place to invest, it's a place to come to increase your wealth, it's a place to come to expand your economical status. What do you think?
Yes, I feel the excitement I see. It's very, very interesting to see this magnitude of people sitting around here. That's a very good thing that China is doing, coming back to Africa and trying to connect with the locals and trying to empower them economically and financially. That's a very good thing.
I'm Judith Kulokora, and you?
I'm Grace Najengo, Miss Namasuba College of Commerce.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Judith.
Tell us more about you.
To tell you more about me, I'm a student at Namasuba College of Commerce, and I'm pursuing a course which is fashion and designing. By the grace of God, I'm the Miss 2018-2019.
Celebrate Uganda team, we also had an opportunity to talk with Dr. Jamil Sebalu, being the founder and director of Namasuba College of Commerce. Tell us, the event was vibrant. Yes. You had almost 900 graduates that have been graduated today. I mean, it was very exciting. It was international, national, local, and all of. Just tell us what was happening here today.
Today, Namasuba College of Commerce becomes 23 years of age. We started in 1995. And today we celebrate the 11th graduation of the Namasuba College of Commerce.
Yes.
We've graduated 902 students. The difference between our graduations and other graduation is that today we've also launched the Uganda-China Zero Start Business Platform, whereby the business people in Uganda and business people in China are going to begin to dialogue to see how they can do business. And in so doing, they are going to create jobs for our students. Okay?